if you let me ride yours.
If you don't wheel it.
Alright. What if I do wheel it? Boy, scared me. Sport bike homie getting it. Oh my god, brother. Yeah, these sport bike homies. Damn.
I'm gonna beat you every time.
Y'all should race. We should all race.
Beat you every time. You know that. Your clutch is fucked. I'm gonna smoke them. Bro, let's go. Line it up.
Let's go. Yeah, let's see.
Shit, I got a YouTube too. Shit.
They shot it out.
JTTVUES on YouTube.
Okay, let's go. Is it recording or? Alright, the boys about to get a little race going. Ah, that's so much sand. That's so much sand hitting my face, dog. Holy crap. What happened? For real? Damn. Hey, let's race. Woo! That 450 keeping up low key. Yo, that 450 keeping up.
Let me ride that thing?
Shit. Are you gonna try to wheel it or no? If you don't try to, if you let me ride yours.
If you don't wheel it.
Alright. What if I do wheel it? I won't wheel it.
You got him almost 12 o'clock in?
Him? Yeah, bro. That scared me, dude. This is so big, dog. God damn.
It's heavy too.
How do you even turn it on? Woo! Sport bike, bro, coming in hot, dog. Oh my god. Alright, we're about to hit a freaking top speed run, dude. I'm a little scared, to be honest. Dude, I'm not even nowhere near. Holy fuck, this thing is fast. Woo. Holy shit. Bro, I'm slobbering out my mouth, dog. Holy f***, this 750 is fast, dog. I'm trying to turn it around. Alright, ready? Oh my god! Woo! Dude, I can't. Holy shit, bro. This thing is fast. I was scared to like go past 11K, bro. Like once I 11K, I was shifting. How'd the 450 feel?
Bro, it's sweet. I don't know about even attempting to wheel it. It felt too weird.
I mean, it pops up so like as you probably felt, it just wants to pop up.
I don't know. Maybe it's just I'm not used to riding dirt bike.
No, yeah, definitely. I mean, it's definitely a whole different style, especially the way you sit on that shit. You're like way over. Oh my god, dude, I should have my adrenaline pumping. Dude, I hit 100 miles per hour like that. It was just doo.
First gear. I want to start back here. Where it's like not all that bullshit.
Yeah. Start here. Alright, I'm definitely gonna lose, but I'm gonna try to keep up. I'm gonna go like right behind them. Alright. I wasn't in gear. Oh! Man, y'all just got too much power, y'all. I seen y'all sliding out.
Yeah. Whatever that black shit is on that.
It's slippery?
I guess.
Damn. That's where like the quads and Banshees usually be racing, you know?
I might need a new clutch. probably if they got slick.
Slick. Oh yeah, true.
Ooh.
Tuning that man on a sport bike.
Who bike is that?
Snazzy.
Oh, Snazzy.
From Orlando. She's like a girl stunner.
Yeah.
She kills it.
I follow all of them.
Yeah, she be shredding.
Film my brakes. You gonna be like,
Let me ride it. Here, hold this real quick. I'll be careful. I won't f it up, bro. Trust me. If I do, I'll buy you a new one.
Yo. Ride it and press the brake.
All right.
First, like,
No, I'm not gonna wheelie it.
hit the back brake.
I always feel it out. God damn, brother. Woo, dude, I'm sport bike, bro. Holy snazzy. I feel like snazzy riding this thing, bro. Woo! That bit felt good. Feel good.
How's the back brake?
It don't feel. It's definitely soft, like, but it's still like you can. It still works.
I got a rear cable and shit. I need to change that.
It felt good though. I felt more comfy on this than that thing. That thing is like.
What? I told you my bike is better.
That thing is it's a beast.
How it feel? It feel quick though?
They're basically the same.
They feel, that one just feels like it has a tad bit more once it really like hits that rev range.
You clutched up on this?
Yeah, I clutched. Woo, it scares me, bro. Yo, riding these sport bikes, it literally just got my heart freaking moving. Woo! My dirt bike feels so light and nimble. Y'all are gonna be in it probably on Wednesday. Hey, it was nice meeting you.
Over there looking crazy.
Nah, hey, of course not.